Underground Tutorial Reports. In this video, we will review the underground reports. When all the structures have been entered, we may now review the reports. In edit mode, the report window will be docked on the left side of the screen by default. The report window may be undocked by double-clicking on the top bar. The report may be moved to a different screen or docked to either side. Drag your arrow to the desired position for the report. You may view the details or the summary reports. The detailed report lists all individual entries. The summary only lists the structure totals. Select a structure from the report and it will be selected on the plan view. If you select a structure on the plan view, it will be highlighted on the detail report. Click the M button to organize the report by material. Click the S button to organize by structure. These reports display the trench material quantities for bedding, backfill, cover, select, and displacement. Click the SM button to view the structure measures only. Click the UG button to view the underground depth bracket report. This report details the length of pipe and laterals and depths of verticals within user-defined depth brackets. To explain this further, let's just look at the storm pipe. Select the class pull-down and double-click on Storm. We will select a run of pipe crossing the parking area. If we look at the detail report, we can see the total measure of this run is 371.61 feet. 40.2 feet is from 0 up to including 4 feet deep. 125.4 feet runs between 4 and 6 feet deep. The remaining 206 feet is between 6 and 8 feet deep, with no pipe being deeper than 8 feet. By default, the depth brackets will be based on the depth from rim to invert of the pipe. If you want to change the depth brackets to be based on the bottom of the trench, which includes the bedding material, click the Options menu and select Depth Brackets. Check Trench Bottom. You may also edit the base value, increment, and number of columns from this window. Click OK. Click the TV button to view the trench volumes report. The trench volume report displays the excavation and trench material quantities for each pipe and lateral. If you are using a file with sitework surfaces, you may want to change the rim surface to subgrade for the trench volumes. Click the Assign Rim Elevation button and check Subgrade and click OK. The underground reports will be recalculated. Again, you may view the summary or detail report. If we look at the summary for the SD 8-inch pipe, we can see there is a total of 707.31 feet of pipe. The total excavation is 605.21 cubic yards. We will use 468.99 cubic yards of native backfill to fill the trench to grade. This difference is spoil volume combining all the import materials plus the displacement of the pipe. Compaction may be added for the backfill when defining the trench parameters. And there's 39.29 cubic yards of bedding, 44.46 cubic yards of cover, and 39.29 cubic yards of select materials, giving us an export of 136.22 cubic yards. If the file contains strata data, you may analyze the depth brackets for each strata layer. If we look at one run of storm drain pipe, we can see there is a total of 244.69 feet of pipe. 145.89 feet will encounter rip rock, and 102.01 feet will hit shot rock. The depth brackets are based on the top of each surface or strata. The trench volume report will also break out the strata volumes per run of pipe. If we look at the same run of SD 8-inch, there is a total of 165.2 cubic yards of dirt, 34.83 cubic yards of rip rock, and 35.64 cubic yards of shot rock, leaving a backfill of 202.14 cubic yards. If we cannot use any of the rock, we will need to import 36.94 cubic yards of dirt to fill the trench to grade. To report the structures by class, select the class pull-down and double-click on the desired class. For example, if we double-click on Class 2 Storm, we will only see the storm structures on the reports in Plan View. Check All Classes to see all entries. Click the Export to Excel button to create an Excel spreadsheet. You can import the Excel file into your estimating software. To print the reports, you may click the Print button to send them directly to a printer or PDF file if you are using a PDF printer. You may also send the reports to the print page along with the plan view data. That will end this session.